This is the check. Okay, 1,030,377. This is the amount. Ano mo na sa pagpapagamot mo?
Siyempre, sa medication pa rin.
Well, delivering my first critical illness claim was both fulfilling and eye-opening.
So, hindi ko talaga in-expect na aabot ako ng 67 days sa hospital, then ma-ICU ako.
So, nung in-apply natin yun, naka-intubate ka na. Yun yung may pneumonia ka. Sa hospital,
Yun yung
tapos
yung
nag-ano
first
lang
intubation
tayo.
ko kasi nakatatlong intubate ako
When
eh.
I learned about her condition, I knew that I had to be there. I went straight to the hospital, to the ICU. Client was lying. Ano pa siya nun restless siya nun. I brought the forms. Tapos, we had it signed. Hindi na nga by pen. It was really just by thumb mark na lang.
October na.
Sinabi na ni ate na pinaprocess na.
Sabi niya, Jal, pag-pray lang natin yung Sun Life mo, inaasikaso ni Day. Sabi niya, tatry niyang i-apply.
To me, that at that point, it wasn't just about the insurance claim. It's about being present, offering moral support for the family. You know, I've always believed that being an insurance advisor is more than just transactional. It is relational. At that time, I wanted to personally check up on her and make sure that she knows and the family knows that I was ready to assist them in any way possible, especially in the financial side. It's in moments like this when I get reminded why I do what I do. For me, it's all about supporting your clients.
Actually, nung in-apply namin, nakalaps yung policy mo. Natandaan mo yun? Di ba sabi mo, ate, hindi na ako makakabayan. Natandaan mo? Kinukulit ko siya. Sabi ko, mag-juju na, ganyan. Kasi dalawa yung plans, di ba?
Ate, baka wala akong makuha doon kasi sabi ko, alam ko naglaps na yun ng sabi niya, try lang natin. Sabi niya, pag-pray natin kasi inaasikaso ni Day. Sabi ng ganun. Kaya nga, sabi ko, siguro wala akong makukuha kasi parang 1 year pa lang ako nakakahulog. Tapos sabi ko, laps na nga.
It's one thing kasi to hold a promise, di ba? Sabi nga nila, insurance is just a piece of a promise. But it's, it's another thing to truly fulfill a promise. And that gives me a sense of an increased confidence with the company that I'm in. I've always advocated for financial protection for Filipinos, but iba rin talaga when you see firsthand just how insurance truly impacts someone's life. Lagi sinasabi ng Sun Life, we are your partners for life. And our work, my work as an insurance advisor doesn't end there when the sale is closed. The real work is really a hard work.
If something happens to you, parang mapambili nila ng bahay.
Oo, para sa kanila talaga
Para
yun.
sa kanila talaga.
I realized just how important financial protection is in the lives of every Filipino. After I released this first claim, my advocacy grew stronger. It's now more like when life gives you unexpected turns, I want to make sure that my clients will be taken care of.
Talaga nag-aayi na akong kumuha niyan kasi meron akong kasamaan sa office na may Sun Life. Kasi kita ko, kaya sabi ko, pag nagkaroon ako ng pera, ng extra pera, talagang yun yung paglalaan ko. So, syempre, si mami tsaka si daddy, hindi naman sila pabata.
Looking back, I'm glad that she made that decision. Kasi it really proved the value of the insurance when she needed it most. Alam mo, when I was in my rookie year as an insurance advisor, I would go anywhere. Kahit nasan ka pa, aabutin kita. Just for me to really close a deal. Ganun ako ka-passionate with what I do. But when I released my first claim, sabi ko, Lord, gusto ko rin ng ganung passion to truly give that service. The service that they deserve because they trusted me in the first place. That would mean really reaching them kahit nasan pa din sila. Kahit nasa ICU pa sila, kahit nasa hospital pa sila. I want to make sure that they would feel reassured that the financial side of it all will be taken care of because that is something na ako lang yung pwedeng gumawa. Insurances now have fund values, they have dividends, they have endowments, they have bonuses and all that for your money to grow. But at the end of the day, insurance is insurance. This client had a total payment of 30,000 pesos. And we released 1 million in just 1 year. Insurance is the only financial vehicle that could grow your money exponentially and be handed over to you in the most difficult time of your life. No any financial vehicle can grow your money like that. Insurance lang. To me, this is a promise fulfilled by Sun Life, and also, it's my commitment as your Sun Life financial advisor.